Welcome to the tutorial on how to use Phantom in Jupyter. All right, let's dive in. After installing the Phantom extension and starting the setup process, you'll reach the Create a Password screen. Here, you'll need to create a strong password to unlock your wallet securely on this device. You'll be asked to type the password twice to confirm it. Once you've done that, there's also a checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Go ahead and read those if you like, then check the box and click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll see the Secret Recovery Phrase screen. This is extremely important. Your recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access to it, so never share it with anyone or store it insecurely. Phantom shows a list of words which you should write down and keep safe offline. Avoid taking screenshots or saving this phrase digitally, as that could expose it to hackers. Once you've written it down, check the box that says, I saved my secret recovery phrase, and then click Continue. This phrase is essentially the key to your wallet, so treat it with care. All right, here we are on the Phantom Wallet's home screen. At the top, you'll see your total account balance, which is displayed in US dollars. This balance reflects the total value of all your assets within the wallet, and it updates with the current market prices. Right below the balance, there are three main action buttons: Receive, Send, and Swap. Let's go over each of them briefly. Receive. This is where you can get your deposit address to receive funds. You can share your QR code or your wallet address with others for easy transfers. Send. This button allows you to send crypto assets to other wallets. Simply enter the recipient's address and the amount to send. Swap. This feature lets you swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. It's a quick and easy way to exchange tokens without leaving the Phantom interface. Moving on, just under these buttons, you'll see an invitation to create a unique username for your wallet. Setting a username is optional, but can help make your wallet more recognizable when interacting on the Solana blockchain. Now, if we scroll down, you'll see a list of assets held within your Phantom wallet. Here's how it looks. Solana, this is the main currency on the Solana network. In my account, you can see the balance of Solana I'm currently holding. There's also a small green figure showing how much my SOL holdings have increased recently. USDC, I also have some USDC here, which is a stablecoin pegged to the dollar. Any recent change in the value is shown next to the balance. If you hold multiple tokens, each one will appear here with its current value, balance, and recent change percentage. The wallet supports other tokens on the Solana network, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Bitcoin, though only as bridged assets. Now let's move on to the Collectibles tab to see if I have any NFTs. Switching over to the Collectibles tab, you'll notice that right now there aren't any items here. This is where all your NFTs or non-fungible tokens would show up if you have any. Phantom Wallet is compatible with Solana-based NFTs, so once you receive an NFT, it'll be displayed in this section with details about the creator and collection. This tab keeps all of your digital art and collectibles separate from your tokens, making it easy to manage your assets. Let's move back to the Swap feature for a bit. As you can see here, when you click on Swap, the screen shows two fields, one for You Pay and one for You Receive. You Pay, select the token you want to swap from. In this case, I have selected USDC. You can also see the amount available for swapping. You Receive, here you can select which token you want to receive, like SOL in this example. This is a very handy feature because it allows you to trade tokens without needing to go to a centralized exchange. It's fast, simple, and everything happens within the wallet. Here we can see our transactions. Like today, I swapped USDC for Solana, and we can see it right at the top. Just below the search bar, you have 5 main categories represented by tabs: Tokens, Sites, Collections, Learn, and Quests. Let me break down what each one does. Tokens. This tab lists all the cryptocurrencies in your wallet. Sites. This is where you can see a list of dApps that you frequently visit or interact with. Collections. Here you'll find any NFTs you own. Learn. This section is filled with guides and resources if you want to understand more about using Phantom in the Solana ecosystem. The Quest tab is where you might find interactive tasks or challenges that could reward you with tokens or other perks for using the platform. Right under the tabs, you'll notice the featured dApp, which in this case is Gamma. Gamma is a Bitcoin creator launchpad and NFT marketplace. This section often highlights popular or trending dApps, and you can click Visit Site to explore it directly in the Phantom side panel. As we scroll down, we come to the Trending Tokens section. Here you'll see a list of tokens that are currently popular among Phantom users. Each token is listed with its current price and a percentage showing its daily performance. whether it's in green for gains or red for losses. For instance, we see tokens like Grass, Toga, and Happy Cat displayed here with their respective prices and 24-hour price change percentages. Right below the trending tokens, there's the Trending Sites section. This lists DApps that are currently popular or frequently used within the Phantom wallet. We have DeFi platforms like Jupiter, Radium, and Pump.Fun listed here. These sites are accessible directly within the side panel, which is super convenient for DeFi enthusiasts who want to swap tokens, add liquidity, or check market trends.